Our verse today is Genesis chapter 3, verse 10. And he said, I heard the sound of you in the garden, and I was afraid, because I was naked, and I hid myself. After the serpent, that is Satan, made his suggestions, the first man and woman ate of the tree in the middle of the garden. The serpent had told them that they would not die. Instead, they will be like God and know good and evil. The woman ate and gave some to her husband, who also ate. We are told that their eyes were opened and they knew they were naked. They became ashamed of their nakedness and sewed fig leaves to cover themselves. After God fashioned the woman from the man's side, the author gives us a little detail at the end of chapter 2. And the man and his wife were both naked and were not ashamed. Genesis chapter 2 verse 25. Although they were naked, they were not ashamed. The man and woman were innocent, holy, and pure of heart. God used to come to visit them in the garden. But now that their eyes were opened, when they heard the sound of God in the garden, they hid. But God said to the man, where are you? God still loves them. He came to search for them. Our verse is the response of the man. Notice that the man did not respond to the question of God. He was asked, where are you? His response was, I heard the sound of you in the garden, and I was afraid, because I was naked and I hid myself. He could not own up that he had eaten of the tree. His answer was evading the question, where are you? He should have simply said, I am hiding behind the tree. This verse reveals a fundamental truth about us when we sin. The first point we notice is that God never abandons us. He is always in search of us. He knew that the man and woman had done something evil. That did not deter him from coming to see them, to search for them. Second, until this time, the man and woman were not afraid of God. They could interact with him. After eating of the tree in the garden, they were fearful of God. Sin instills unnecessary fear in us. Third, sin makes us naked. God had clothed the man and woman with a cloak of righteousness. The moment they ate of the tree, they threw away that cloak. They were naked. Fourth, nakedness, which is sin, cannot stand before God. Hence the man and woman went into hiding. God did not chase them, but they were running away from God. Similarly, when we sin, shame covers us and we feel unworthy to face God. Lord, our sin exposes our nakedness. We are often ashamed and want to hide from you. Lord, give us the grace to stand against temptations and be able to stand always in your presence as your children. Amen. God bless you, and I wish you a lovely day.